Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download Fluxer. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. And once you have it opened, just go ahead and go to the URL box. Just type down fluxer.app. Okay, again, Fluxer.app. Hit on enter. Wait for the website to load. And once it loads, go ahead and click on download for Windows, or you can go ahead and open it up in a browser. So let's just go ahead and click on download right here. Save it wherever you want and just wait for the download process to finish. So while it's downloading, you can go ahead and continue browsing to their website right here. So you can see it just basically looks like Discord, but without the sketchy registrations. Okay, so go ahead and click on the installer right here from your downloads tab, or you could go ahead and double click on the installer right on your desktop. So wait for it to open up. There you go. It made us a shortcut. It's pretty fast. And then once it's fully opened, what you're going to do next is just basically register, as we don't have an account yet. Just basically wait for it to open up, register, and you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.